back to the channel. Today I got another quick fix for you on the old gray Marquis. Now this one is a super common issue on the gray Marquis, the Crown Vics, the town cars. So much so that Ford actually issued a recall on these things. So it may be worth checking with your dealership to see if the recall's been done on your car. If it already has, you only get one time of it. Now I plugged this thing back in just to kind of show what it's doing, but before you go slamming a new module in, you want to check all your powers, grounds, everything you need for this thing to be working properly. Make sure that's not your problem. Now I had lights flickering, I have no headlights, no high beams, no brake lights, no tail lights, and no hazards. So I haven't been driving this thing for a while. A couple 7mm screws to pop out and then undo this clip, and the thing slides right out the back. Pretty simple to get out, not a lot of work. I think the repair procedure says you gotta take more stuff out, but you don't. So 3 plugs to undo, just pop those out, and this thing's out of your way. You can start throwing the new one in. Now I'm going to show you kind of the guts of this thing and what it looks like. You have 4 relays in here, each with a specific function. I don't know if these are supposed to look like this, but you can see that some of them are darker and some of them are lighter on the windings, and just in general looks like they've probably gotten hot. Now I did try cleaning the contacts and see if maybe that would work, and I did get it to work for just a little bit, so my suspicion is that the contacts were burned up in the relays. Now installing it is just as simple as taking it apart. Pop your connectors in, slide it back up into place, put your 2 little 7mm screws in, just tuck everything back where it goes. Easy as that. So now that this thing's plugged in, let's go ahead and see if it's going to work. No more flickering, that's a good sign. Taillights are working. Heck yeah, that's awesome. How about headlights? Oh yeah. Maybe a little high beam? Ooh, nice. I can officially drive this thing again. Let's check brake lights. Tail lights are working. Brake lights are working. Heck yeah. Well, it's as simple as that. Pretty much just a plug and play deal after you check a few things out, but pretty easy to remedy. I've been on the fence about trying to make a repair on this one. Let me know if that's something you guys are interested in. But for today, and just a junkyard module, and kind of crossing my fingers and hoping it worked, I'm really happy with it. Now you can go the route of buying a refurbished one. I know there is shops on eBay that you can send your old unit in and have them refurbish it, or you can just buy a new one. The very expensive route, obviously. So we'll see how long the junkyard one holds up. Worst case, it gets me by for a while until I can either figure something out with this or break down and buy a new one. Like I said, I hope that helps you guys out, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.